Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Speaking Practice.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we are going to talk about something very important in daily life:
Yes, something every person has.
responsibilities.
Exactly. Every day, from morning to night, we all have responsibilities.
But many English learners don't know how to talk about them correctly.
That's why today we will help you speak about your responsibilities clearly and confidently.
And don't worry, we will explain everything in very simple English.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after us when we practice.
Jack, let me ask you something. What is a responsibility?
A responsibility is something you must do. It is your duty. It is your job.
Yes, it is something that is your task. You cannot ignore it.
For example, if you have a pet, feeding your pet is your responsibility.
If you are a student, studying is your responsibility.
If you have a job, finishing your work is your responsibility.
Very simple. A responsibility is something that you are expected to do.
Now let's learn how to talk about responsibilities in English.
The first phrase is very common.
I'm responsible for.
Repeat after me. I'm responsible for.
Example, I'm responsible for cleaning the house.
I'm responsible for answering emails.
I'm responsible for taking care of my younger sister.
Notice something important. After responsible for, we use a verb with ing.
Cleaning, cooking, driving, helping.
Good. Now the second phrase.
I have to.
This is extremely common in daily conversation.
I have to wake up early.
I have to go to work.
I have to pay my bills.
This means it is necessary.
Yes, it is not optional.
Jack, what about I need to?
Very good question. Need to is similar to have to, but it feels a little softer.
Example, I need to drink more water.
I need to improve my English.
Sometimes have to sounds stronger.
Yes, I have to finish this today sounds more urgent.
While I need to finish this is slightly softer.
But in daily speaking, many times we use them in similar ways.
It is my responsibility to.
This sounds more serious and more formal.
Example, it is my responsibility to support my family.
It is my responsibility to complete this project on time.
We often use this in professional or serious situations.
I am in charge of.
This means you control or manage something.
I am in charge of the marketing team.
I am in charge of organizing the event.
Notice we say in charge of, not in charge for.
Yes, very important grammar point.
So, Amma, we talked about personal and family responsibilities, but responsibilities don't stop there.
That's right. As life changes, our responsibilities also change.
When someone becomes a student, their responsibilities become different.
And when someone starts working, new responsibilities begin.
Let's talk about student responsibilities first.
Yes, because many people watching daily English speaking practice are students.
Being a student is not just about going to school.
Exactly. It is about discipline, focus, and effort.
The most basic responsibility of a student is attending classes.
You have to go to school regularly.
You are responsible for arriving on time.
If you come late every day, it shows carelessness.
And teachers may think you are not serious.
Homework is another important responsibility.
Some students think homework is punishment.
But actually, homework helps you practice.
I am responsible for completing my assignments before the deadline.
Notice that word, deadline.
Deadline means the final date to finish something.
If your teacher says submit it on Friday, you cannot give it on Monday.
That is not responsible behavior.
Let's talk about exams.
Many students only study one night before the exam.
That is risky.
You need to prepare early.
I have to revise my lessons every day.
I am responsible for making a study schedule.
A study schedule helps you stay organized.
For example, 1 hour for English, 1 hour for math.
And during study time, no phone.
Yes, phones are dangerous during study.
Very dangerous.
Another responsibility is paying attention.
Do not talk while the teacher is explaining.
Do not use your mobile phone.
I am responsible for listening carefully.
I need to take notes.
Taking notes helps you remember information later.
Also, asking questions is important.
Some students feel shy,
But if you don't ask, you stay confused.
and staying confused is not helpful.
Now let's talk about group projects.
Ah, yes. Many students complain about group work.
Because sometimes one person does all the work.
That is not fair.
In group work, everyone is responsible for contributing.
Contributing means helping.
If 4 students are in one group, all 4 must work.
You cannot say, they will do it.
That is irresponsible behavior.
Student responsibilities also include respect.
Respect for teachers.
Respect for classmates.
Respect for school rules.
For example, wearing proper uniform.
Following classroom rules.
Being polite.
These are simple but important responsibilities.
Now let's move to professional life.
When you start working, responsibilities increase.
Work responsibilities are more serious.
Because now money is involved.
And trust.
The first responsibility at work is punctuality.
Punctuality means being on time.
If your office starts at 9 a.m., you must arrive before 9.
Coming late every day can cause problems.
Your manager may lose trust.
I am responsible for managing my time properly.
I have to leave home early to avoid traffic.
Every job has tasks.
And you are responsible for finishing them.
If you are in sales, you must contact clients.
If you are a teacher, you must prepare lessons.
If you work in an office, you must answer emails.
You cannot ignore your duties.
Communication is also a responsibility.
Yes, you need to reply to messages professionally,
You are responsible for speaking politely with customers.
even if the customer is angry.
Staying calm is a professional responsibility.
Most jobs require teamwork.
You are not alone.
You must cooperate with others.
Cooperate means work together.
I am responsible for supporting my team members.
I am in charge of managing this project,
In charge of. Remember that phrase.
not in charge for.
Yes, grammar matters.
What happens if you make a mistake at work?
You must accept it.
Do not blame others,
Say, I made a mistake.
and then fix it.
That is called accountability.
Accountability means taking responsibility for your actions.
Now let's practice speaking.
Repeat after me.
I am responsible for finishing my work on time.
I have to attend all meetings.
I need to improve my skills.
It is my responsibility to support my team.
I am in charge of managing this project.
Very good.
Think about your life now.
Are you a student?
Are you working?
Are you both studying and working?
Try to make 5 sentences about your responsibilities.
Speak them out loud.
Speaking out loud builds confidence.
Confidence is very important when learning English.
Amma, we talked about student responsibilities and work responsibilities, but I think there is something deeper.
You're right. Responsibilities are not only tasks, they also show your character.
Exactly. When you take responsibility, people trust you more.
Trust is very important in life.
If you are responsible, people depend on you.
And being dependable is a strong quality.
Now let's learn some stronger, more advanced words.
Yes, this will help our viewers sound more confident and professional.
Obligation means something you must do because of a rule, agreement, or law.
For example, paying taxes is a legal obligation.
If you sign a contract, you have obligations.
Obligation sounds more formal than responsibility.
Accountability is very important in professional life.
It means you accept the results of your actions.
If something goes wrong, you don't hide.
You explain honestly.
Managers are accountable for their team's performance.
Parents are accountable for their children's safety.
Commitment means you promise to do something and you stay loyal to that promise.
If you commit to learning English every day, that is commitment.
Commitment shows seriousness.
Without commitment, responsibilities feel heavy.
With commitment, responsibilities feel meaningful.
Reliability describes a person you can trust.
A reliable person finishes tasks on time.
A reliable employee follows instructions carefully.
If someone is unreliable, people stop trusting them.
Now let's correct some common mistakes learners make.
This part is very important.
I am responsible to finish this. I am responsible for finishing this.
After responsible for, use verb plus ing.
Responsible for completing. Responsible for managing. Responsible for organizing.
Yesterday I have to work late. Yesterday I had to work late.
In the past, always use had to.
Not have to.
I must finished it yesterday. I had to finish it yesterday.
Must does not have a past form.
So remember that.
I am in charge for the team.
I am in charge of the team.
Always in charge of.
I am boring because I have no work. I am bored because I have no work.
Boring describes a person or thing.
Bored describes how you feel.
Now let's practice a natural conversation. Imagine this is a job interview.
Can you describe your responsibilities in your previous job?
Yes, I was responsible for managing customer accounts and answering emails.
Were you in charge of any team members?
Yes, I was in charge of a small team of 3 employees.
How did you handle deadlines?
I made a schedule and ensured all tasks were completed on time.
Very professional answer.
Now let's imagine a school conversation.
What are your main responsibilities as a student?
I am responsible for completing assignments and preparing for exams.
Do you have any group responsibilities?
Yes, I am in charge of preparing presentations for my group.
Excellent.
Now it's your turn.
Pause the video.
And answer these questions out loud.
What are your daily responsibilities?
What responsibilities do you have at home?
What responsibilities do you have at work or school?
What is one responsibility you want to improve?
Speak in full sentences.
For example,
I am responsible for taking care of my younger brother.
I have to finish my office work before 6 p.m.
I need to improve my time management.
The more you speak, the better you become.
Jack, why do you think responsibility is important?
Because responsibility builds discipline.
And discipline builds success.
Without responsibility, life becomes chaotic.
People who avoid responsibility often struggle later.
But people who accept responsibility grow stronger.
Even small responsibilities matter.
Like waking up on time.
Or keeping promises.
Or finishing what you start.
These habits shape your future.
Remember something important.
Responsibilities are not punishment.
They are opportunities.
Opportunities to improve.
Opportunities to grow.
Opportunities to become a better version of yourself.
And when you can talk about your responsibilities clearly in English,
You become more confident
more professional.
and more prepared for real-life conversations. We hope today's full lesson helped you understand how to talk about responsibilities in English.
From personal life to school to work, now you have the vocabulary and confidence.
If you found this lesson helpful, continue practicing every day.
Consistency is the key to improvement.
And if you want more simple, clear, and powerful English lessons,
Stay connected with us on daily English speaking practice.
keep learning.
Keep practicing.
and keep being responsible.
See you in the next lesson.